Imagine standing on the edge of a jagged coastline or at the heart of a bustling neon-lit metropolis, holding the future of cinematography in the palm of your hand. For years, the drone industry has teased us with incremental updates. But today, everything we thought we knew about sub-250-gram drones has been shattered. The DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just an update. It is a declaration of war against the limitations of physics. As we sit in 2026, the rumors that swirled for months have finally solidified into a reality that feels more like science fiction than consumer electronics. We are looking at a machine that refuses to compromise, a device that challenges the very necessity of larger, heavier professional rigs. This is the moment where the Mini tag loses its diminutive meaning and starts representing the pinnacle of portable power. The first thing you realize when you see the leaked schematics and the early production units is that DJI has completely reimagined the aerodynamic profile of the Mini series. The Mini 6 Pro features a radical new ducted wing hybrid design that allows it to slice through high-altitude winds that would have grounded the Mini 4 or 5. But the real magic isn't in how it flies, it's in what it sees. We are talking about the first ever 1-inch CMOS sensor packed into a drone of this weight class, capable of capturing 6K video at 60 frames per second with a dynamic range that rivals cinema cameras costing 5 times as much. Think about that for a second. You no longer need a bulky backpack or a commercial license in many regions to capture footage that looks like it belongs on an IMAX screen. The depth of color, the richness of the shadows, and the way this sensor handles the golden hour glow is nothing short of hypnotic. But why are people calling this the Leica of the skies? It's because the lens architecture has been overhauled to include a variable aperture system. For the first time, a sub-250-gram drone allows you to physically adjust your f-stop from f/1.8 to f/11. This means you have total creative control over your depth of field and exposure without constantly swapping ND filters in the middle of a shoot. Imagine tracking a subject through a dark forest and then bursting out into a sun-drenched field. The Mini 6 Pro adjusts instantly, keeping your motion blur perfect and your highlights preserved. This isn't just a gadget for hobbyists anymore. This is a surgical tool for visual storytellers who demand perfection in every frame. The intelligence behind this flight is driven by the new O4 Plus transmission system and an AI processing chip that makes previous obstacle avoidance look prehistoric. The Mini 6 Pro utilizes OmniPath 3.0, a system that doesn't just stop before hitting a tree. It maps the entire environment in a 360-degree 3D cloud in real time. It can predict the movement of branches in the wind or the path of a bird crossing its trajectory, adjusting its flight path with a fluid, organic grace that looks like a professional pilot is at the sticks, even when it's flying itself. This level of autonomy means you can focus entirely on the composition while the drone handles the complexities of navigation in the most cluttered environments imaginable. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of small drones, but 2026 brings a breakthrough in solid-state battery technology. The Mini 6 Pro boasts a flight time of 48 minutes on a single standard battery and an incredible 62 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. This changes the game for long-range exploration. You can now send your drone kilometers away to capture that perfect mountain peak and still have more than enough power to orbit, frame the shot, and return safely. The anxiety of the low battery beep is becoming a relic of the past. Coupled with the new solar surface coating on the top arms, the drone can actually trickle charge while hovering in direct sunlight, extending those crucial minutes when you're waiting for the perfect light to hit. The social media landscape is shifting, and the Mini 6 Pro is designed to lead that charge. With native vertical shooting that utilizes the full sensor, not just a crop, your TikTok, Reels, and Shorts content will have the same high bitrate quality as a horizontal cinematic masterpiece. The integration with the DJI Fly app 2.0 allows for Live Edit Link, where the drone's AI identifies the best shots during the flight and prepares a rough cut on your phone before you've even landed. It's about reducing the friction between capturing a moment and sharing it with the world. As we look deeper into the leaks regarding the Pro controller, we see a built-in 2000-nit display that makes sun hoods obsolete. The clarity is so intense that you can spot a single power line from hundreds of feet away. But the real mic drop moment is the rumored integration of satellite connectivity for emergency RTH, return to home. If you lose your radio signal in a remote canyon, the Mini 6 Pro can ping a satellite to relay its GPS coordinates and navigate back to your last known location. This is peace of mind that was previously reserved for industrial-grade drones. The Mini 6 Pro is more than the sum of its specs. It represents a shift in how we interact with the world around us. It turns every hike into a film set and every vacation into a documentary. It removes the barrier of entry for high-end cinematography, democratizing the sky in a way we've never seen before. Whether you're a professional looking for a discreet B-cam or a beginner wanting the best possible start, the 2026 DJI Mini 6 Pro is the answer. It's fast, it's silent, it's incredibly smart, and it's about to change your perspective forever. The wait is almost over, and the sky has never looked this inviting.